Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues with the knob support on your Thermomix TM5, you're not alone. This common problem can prevent the knob from functioning correctly, making it difficult to control your device. If left unrepaired, it could lead to further complications or even damage to your Thermomix. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement knob support, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to work safely. Begin by carefully removing the outer casing of the device. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the base and sides. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the casing off using the flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. With the casing off, you should be able to locate the faulty knob support. It's usually situated near the control panel. Inspect it closely to understand how it's attached. To remove the broken support, gently pull it upwards while using the tweezers to disconnect any small cables attached. Be cautious during this step, applying too much force could damage surrounding components. Once the old knob support is out, take your replacement part and align it properly with the connectors. Ensure it fits snugly and securely. Reconnect any cables you may have detached, ensuring they are firmly in place. Before reassembling, double-check that everything is connected correctly and there are no loose components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully place the outer casing back onto the device, ensuring all clips are securely fastened. Replace the screws using your Phillips screwdriver, tightening them firmly but not overly so. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Thermomix and test the knob to ensure it's functioning correctly. If it operates smoothly, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, be sure to handle your Thermomix gently and avoid applying excessive force on the knob. Regular maintenance and cleaning can also help prolong the life of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.